Hello guys, what we have today is the NAMI BURN E2. guys, what we have today is the NAMI BURN E2. I think it's the second version of the second model of the NAMI. First is the NAMI BURN E, and this is the NAMI BURN E2. It's dual motors, 72 volts, but this one is 1000 watts only, not 1500. It has 28 Ah battery. It looks same as the BURN E, everything except for the motor, which is 1000 watts. Same folding mechanism, the stem the same. This is the TFT display. You can see the trip odometer. The modes are here: mode X, custom, sport, dynamic, and eco. This is the sign for the turbo. Once you reach the top speed of each mode, you can use the turbo by long press the plus button here. Gear selector, modes, and power button. The other side is the lights, signal button, and the horn. By the way, this one is graded to X300, I think. X300 thumb throttle. It has a steering damper. This is the stock grip. The grip is so good. Carbon stem. It has fenders. It has adjustable hydraulic suspension also, same as the Klima, the BURN E. One of the cons on this scooter, also the BURN E, on this part it is open. Unlike the Klima, here it's closed, so nothing, dirt will come inside, especially the controllers are here. One of the best pros of NAMI is the suspension. The deck is so wide. You can see my foot, it's like this, and there's a lot of room to step on it. You can even step both like this. These are the lights. LED light. This is the signal light, and the light also at night. Tail light, not too visible. That's the signal lights. Both signal lights. "11" wheel, tubeless. Again, this is the NAMI BURN E2, which is the 72 volts 1000 watts motor, dual. Pros: first is the comfort. You have tons of space, leg room, foot room to use here on the scooter. Handling is okay. It has adjustable steering damper. This is the suspension. So soft. This is the scooter that you can ride all day. As long as you have lots of battery, and you can ride it all day. This scooter also has LOGAN hydraulic brakes. Disc brake, of course. 140mm disc brake. 11" tubeless tires. LED headlamp, tail light, and signal light. Throttle is upgraded to X300. Uphill. It's custom. Model. By the way, this scooter can carry, what I think it's around 120 kilos of weight for the rider. Maximum load. Let's try top speed here. I hope.